Today we're having a look at one of our latest listings in Knightsbridge, a 3-bed, 3-bath luxury top floor flat, literally next to Harrods. It's almost like a behind the scenes type video of what we get up to when we're shooting a new listing, and I really wanted to show you guys around whilst I'm here. So follow me so we can have a quick look around. This is the first room that you can come into. You can either come into the living room or the kitchen. It's open plan but segmented quite nicely in a way. You can close these doors off, so if anyone's cooking, whether it's staff or whether it's your friends or family, you can close everything off and it can all be separate, which is a really nice touch. Everything in here is Gaggenau, so top line appliances, and the owners have taken extremely great care of the property, so it's turnkey and ready to move into a really, really exciting property to be working on. Later on, we'll take you outside and we'll show you just how close this is to Harrods and how good the lifestyle can be here, especially for international buyers that are looking for a lock-up and leave. So follow me through to the open space here. We have a really cool dining area, a round table. If you really wanted to, you can have a much bigger table and host even more people. Open these doors up fully, but in this case, the owners don't need that. This little quirk over here in the corner is also very special. If this was my flat, I would definitely spend a lot of time here, whether it's to have a coffee, read a book. You don't really see this in your typical mansion block or period conversion. It's quite a unique thing architecturally. There's speakers throughout the flat. It's a fully smart home. The main reception area is just over here, as you can see. Bedrooms are to the rear of the flat, so it's not iggledy-piggledy, one bedroom off the kitchen, one bedroom on the other side of the flat. All of the sleeping accommodation is separated from the entertainment and the living space throughout the flat, which is really good to have. I mean, the layout here, I keep saying this to the team that are here to preview the flat, it's as good as it gets, really. It's really straightforward to understand and it flows really nicely, which is really important, especially in conversion flats like this. A lot of storage has been put into this flat, so every wall throughout the apartment has lots and lots of storage. You can see some beautiful built-in storage here for coats and shoes and everything else as you come into the flat, which is such a small thing but often overlooked. This, and you won't believe it, this is the smallest bedroom of the three here. They're all pretty equally sized. Obviously the master bedroom is slightly bigger, but they're all really, really great sizes and all have their own bathroom as well. All of the marble everywhere is book matched, and we'll show you the main bathroom at the end, which is really, really special. But follow me here back into the corridor where there's even more storage space in all of the walls. Whether you want to dry your clothes and use this as an airing cupboard or just use it for suitcases, skis, anything like that. It is very, very, very convenient, and once again, it's the same story here. Guest loo. Apart from the first, as soon as you come in, there's a little WC for guests, but this can be used as the bathroom for bedroom number 2 or number 3. It's separated from that bedroom, but it just makes everything a lot more convenient. There's even speakers in here, so everything is high spec. And the marble, if you want to come closer, is completely book matched. And what that means is that the pattern follows throughout the marble, so it's been specially cut for this wall, which is really expensive to do and a really nice touch as well. Just head into here. Sorry, I'm just poking around because I don't know where my photographer is. But this is bedroom number 2. Nice bit of light coming in here. From this bedroom, you can actually see the London Eye and the Shard and all of central London, which is really cool to have. And then from one of the other spots in the apartment, you can see the Mandarin and One Hyde Park, and it's really, really as central as you can get in terms of location. So it's an awesome place to be in, and it just helps that it's such a great flat as well. Sometimes it's one or the other. You have a really good flat but in a bad location, or a great location and the flat's not really great, but here you have both. So it's genuinely one of the most appealing places that I've been very fortunate to sell. Now we're in the master suite. This door separates this from the rest of the house, from the rest of the flat. So let me show you the master bedroom here. Beautiful built-in storage on both sides here. Obviously the speakers, TV, lovely king-size bed. And then the bathroom. The bathroom is even more impressive. There's more storage here just before we head into the bathroom. That's again separated by this door that's behind you guys. And then there's this bathroom. It's a dream. Beautiful dressing space here, more storage. Shower, again with book matched marble, which is crazy. And then you come into this like marble and white heaven where you have double vanity, freestanding bath, toilet, bidet, TV. It's really, really high spec for something that was actually built a fair few years ago. So you can see that the work that's been done here has been upkept really nicely. And that would be a delight to take a bath in after you've spent £100,000 in Harrods on a Thursday afternoon. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're done.